What's going on, everybody? It's Josh from JVC, and we're actually here at our 3rd annual EDA Hot Shots event. Now, this year, we're hosting it in Dallas, Texas at Crash Toys, where everybody behind this wall right here is sitting inside learning about our brand new direct replacement product. Let's go check it out.
Here in Dallas, what we were trying to accomplish, and I believe that we have, is a why, what, how strategy. We wanted to tell them what the product is in depth, why it came to be, how it came to be, and we're also going to tell them how to bring that message to the marketplace in an effort to help the retailers that they sell to.
This is a really critical part in our relationship with JVC because for the first time ever, they need a partner product to sell one of their radios. It doesn't work with anybody else's product. It doesn't work without our product. It's really a partnership of the radio and the interface and the mounting system and the harnessing, and all of this goes together to get a lot more cars able to have radios in them.
The first thing you're going to get is the harness.
Now, Hot Shots event, this is our 3rd time doing it. We've absolutely loved doing it. Every year that we've done it, we've tried to make it a little bit better and a little bit more informative. This year, I think we knocked that out of the park. But what we do when we do this is we bring in some of our best friends from the EDA. So we have our inside salespeople, outside salespeople. Some principals may join us along the way. But the goal behind this is to get everybody together for a good time, as you may even be able to hear in the background, but to also give them the ins and outs on everything that we think they need to know for that year of doing business with JVC. And this year was a huge success.